folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. I'm often inspired to cook something when I go through the grocery store. Yesterday I see chicken legs on sale, averaging about 10 in a package for under $5. I'm using some of the typical ingredients and spices that you'd have in your kitchen. It's delicious, simple. We'll whip it in the oven. Let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, more or less to taste, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, the juice of a half a lime, and then we'll sweeten that up with 2 teaspoons of honey. Mix that all well and get yourself a Ziploc bag. We're going to put our chicken in it and our marinade in it and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Now before cooking the chicken, pat dry them with some paper towels. We'll get them in the oven on a greased cookie sheet at 425 for 45 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn them over so they cook evenly. And voila, there they are, nicely browned, a little bit gooey from that honey. Oh boy, I like to place them on a nice plate, the bed of greens. Looks outstanding. Well, wasn't that simple? If you're feeding a gang, this is the way to go. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. You'll get notified every Monday when I put out a new video. Oh boy, I'm digging into the legs. Oh, I could eat a whole plate full. They're delicious, that little bit of char outside. Wonderful flavors. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya!
Baby, please don't pretend you do.